Technology, as disruptive as it is, will only help us to move into the next level if it enables innovation and fosters human collaboration. Technology is moving fast and becoming ubiquitous, from sensors collecting information about where we are and what we do, to algorithms predicting our next move. This could not be possible without having cloud computing coming into fruition, allowing the processing of data to happen closer to the consumer and in real time. In this direction, 5G is here to stay and reduce latency, enabling not only faster and more reliable communication between IoT devices, but also additional services and other. In this scenario, one thing is clear. We are constantly getting closer to the technological convergence in which one technology requires the rest and vice versa. This is not only challenging businesses, but also the way we see technology or what businesses require from us as digital citizens. Let us understand all the technologies mentioned here. The hype of AI has been on for as it will impact the way we live, work, and how it is reshaping businesses. Every day, roughly 4 out of 6 citizens in the developed countries use AI services in one way or the other, from navigation apps to streaming systems or smartphone personal assistants. The next move within AI is AI-driven development to develop code, augmented analytics, and automated solution development, coming closer and faster to customers' needs. The use of IoT coupled with AI brings the concept of autonomous things and their interaction with the environment in a more natural way. Robotic process automation is disrupting not only industrial processes, but also companies and the way traditionally done human monotonous and repetitive tasks are done, freeing creativity to bring competitive advantage. This brings 73 million jobs to be eliminated by 2030. But let's not forget that jobs related to AI in 2020 were around 23 million. The combination of AI, a better processing power, and IoT is bringing into the near future digital twins with a very promising outlook. The possibility of having a digital replica of the physical world is allowing companies not only to streamline their businesses and focus on the customer experience, but also to test in an iterative way their products. This technology, once only used in industrial processes, has moved into the commercial side, opening new avenues of collaboration between partners and ecosystems. This flow and constant exchange of data puts stronger demands on the connectivity promised to us by 5G. Along with that, it requires a much higher level of cybersecurity. One of the solutions can be seen in blockchain as an ecosystem enabler among many other uses, such as product or asset tracking, transaction settlements, and value exchange. Blockchain has the potential to reshape industries. Although still immature, from a scalability and interoperability, sectors are participating in blockchain-related use cases where this distributed ledger technology brings transparency, trust, and the required speed to ecosystems through smart contracts. The reduction in the size of chips and the increase of data that requires processing is moving us towards a new way of computing called quantum computing. This non-classical computing allows to solve certain problems faster and is starting to see promising partnerships in the horizon in many diverse sectors, from airlines to the automotive industry or medical research fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. With last year's controversial announcement made by Google around quantum supremacy, new horizons are opening in the sky and new developments will come in the near future. Lastly, immersive technologies are moving towards finding the critical use case that will boost investments in that sector. With AR developing faster than VR as it is incorporated in smart devices and is starting to be part of our life, mixed reality has applications in education, heavy industries, healthcare, etc. With all this progress, one thing is clear: we are changing the way users perceive the world, leading to a bigger appetite for immersive experiences. All these technologies are core enablers of progress, impacting our business and professional lives. This requires stakeholders to keep in mind the ethical dimension of each of them, moving countries and governments to collaborate with different industries to ensure that the flexibility required for these technologies to grow is balanced with the rights of its citizens, fostering equality and progress for society.